What's up, guys? So here we are in my '07 Civic Si. Now my odometer isn't working right. As you can see, it says I've got 29,335 miles. I know it's 129,335, so I'll be pulling that gauge cluster out and seeing what I can get, if I can make that one come back. So let me grab a couple tools and I'll be right back. Alright, so this panel here, it's kick panel and cover, it just, I believe it just pulls right out. So just grab it. Sorry for any glare or anything. So yeah, that comes out. That screw's already missing, so that's cool. Thank you to whoever did this before. Just grab this there, pull it out. So now your whole radio wants to go. So you just oh man. Key off. Okay, now you gotta separate your radio somehow. Maybe not. I'll just do this then. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. It's really hard to do with one hand. It's kind of impossible, it feels like. So I'm just pushing the buttons there. One's there, one's there. I'm gonna have to do this with two hands, so well, you guys will see it apart right now. Alright, so I just took everything off. It's all right there. I know my code to my radio, so I got it memorized by how many times I lost battery connection and whatnot. So now there's looks like 3 Phillips head screws I can get on it. You want to take them out, I guess. I've posted about this, I haven't seen anything that anyone else is having this kind of problem. And I've asked about it about a year or so ago on the forum. No one's had that problem. Look at my wiper. Pretty cool, huh? So yeah. I haven't found anyone with this issue, but I have a feeling it can come up. If it does, well, I'll have the first one, huh? This screws are already out, but they're just being a pain. Okay. Now, there's one plug on the back. Okay, let's go take this into my shop. That's pretty cute, huh? Let's go take it into the shop and, shit. You know what? I'll just meet you guys there. Alright, we're back in my office. So, we can now take this thing apart. What it looks like is comes apart from the back. It does from the front too, but I don't think I need to take apart anything on the front here. I don't know, I might change some colors. I don't know. I'm not that big into how things look. I just want them to work when I need them to work. So there's these white tabs here. They'll be what I'll be taking off first. I think I can just get it with my... Oh, I got a little screwdriver here. Okay. So, let me start popping them. Now you want to hold... See, I just put them back. So you want to hold on one that's already out. Now you put that in there. Just start popping them. them off, work your way around. That one broke. One breaks, oh well. That one there did, you can see. There we go, all good now. Okay, now we gotta find the odometer. I think I might have to take this lens off so I can get my needle off of there. So, let's go. These ones you can just push by hand if you get your fingers in there. And I got fat fingers, so mine fit, yours should, maybe. Unless your fingers are fatter. Which happens. It happens. Ladies dig it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, buddy. So, note where it is. It's at 0. That's where to go back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Hope I don't break it. Alright, well that's not coming that easy, so we're gonna go try to get this black piece off of here. See what that does for us. Absolutely nothing. But I'll get the piece out of our way. But yeah, that needle's gotta come off. There we go. Bam. Alright, now this should just come right out of there. Alright. Now, I'm guessing that's where my odometer was. I'm guessing it was right here. See those little pins there. And I see a problem. This has been apart before. Okay. Now this may not be a problem everyone's got. So, focus here. Okay, see these here? There's supposed to be one right there, and it's there. It's just bent down. See it shining? So, I'll try to straighten it out now. I wonder why this has been apart. Yeah, you guys are seeing me do this firsthand here. If my car's got 300,000 miles on it, I'm gonna be so pissed. You gotta watch out with the other ones because they're kind of picky too. Yeah, I'm looking at it close just because it's gotta be done just right. What did I do with my little screwdriver? Found it. Stop looking. Alright. Alright. So I hope that fixed it. I'm gonna line up all the needles here. See, can I see through them? Okay. So I can see through it. Kind of. Now, I'm just wiggling it here. Gonna get them all kind of seated a little bit. So, that went kind of well. And now, I'm gonna put this needle back on there, back at 0. We'll put it on the post, push it down, and now it stops at 2, just below 2. Bring it down to 0. Okay. Now we can put this guy on. That's on. This guy, I think I'm gonna wipe him off. Actually, I am gonna wipe it off. Just keep any fingerprints, anything I had. Check out my screwdriver. Check out my other screwdriver. It's like, okay. Just use my shirt. Bam. Good as new. Good as glue. Okay. We'll line up all our tabs. Push it together. So yeah, guys, I'm getting into a little odometer correction, mileage correction, for whenever people change their miles, or change their odometer and the miles don't match, they can send me the odometer and I'll be correcting it to their miles. And it'd be, I think, pretty good for me. I don't know anything about computers or anything. I'll be learning all myself. I was kind of halfway hoping this was going to be like that. But who knows? It might still be. We're not there yet. Right? Now this, you're going to want to push in all the way and make sure all your tabs are down in the correct spot. I'm going to pause this video and then take you guys out to my car. I apologize for the bad kind of view, I guess, bad picture. But there's my odometer, or gauge cluster, lower gauge cluster. I'm gonna push that there. Kind of get this up here. And I'll see if I can line this up, maybe. Aha. Yep. There's the problem. Head upside down. Okay. And now it's lined up. Now what it looked like to me is someone's had this apart, maybe change lights or see if they can change lights. I don't know, because see, like, I got blue lights here, there. You know, I don't blame you. It is what it is. Alright. So, let's see now. Bam! Look at that. Okay. So, oh, I don't have my button here. I took my button. Okay. Come here. Okay, well, let me get my button all back together. And my whole dash back together. It looks empty. Poor car. So yeah, this is about a 30-minute job, you know. So someone was trying to take it apart, and then they put it back together. As you've seen, those needles just fall right into place. So, you know, it's just a matter of being patient and get it done right. Turn my wipers off. Turn my key off. So yeah, I'll get this all back together and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, got it all back together. I actually just pulled, see this line here? Where the radio separates, I just pulled this off of it and came apart, so I put the radio in first. That would have been a real pain in the ass, so now we're going to see what my miles are. Oh, come on, wipers, jeez. So, yeah, I'm over on my deal, but look. 129, 335. Hope this helps someone, maybe. I'm not sure. But, let's see, anything else that needs attention? Oh, 208,000 kilometers. So it's 77 degrees. I think my car's wrong. That's pretty cool. Happy I got that fixed. So, yeah, if you guys need to do that, if you guys have a problem with that, which I doubt it, but I had a problem with that. Ever since I owned the car, it had that little issue. I thought the dealership was cheating the miles, so they just did that. But I was like, no way, this car has got 229,000 miles on it. I've only put 5,000 miles in the past 2 years on this car, which is pretty good, I think. But I drove it to Oregon once, and just around town, you know, nothing big. I drove it in California a little bit. But yeah, so there's that. Hope this helps you guys. At least it'll help with if you need to remove a lower instrument cluster on your 06 to 12 Civic, SI, RX, LX, RE, Z, PE, QP, you know, the whole deal. This will work for all of them, 2 and 4 door. Thank you guys for watching. You see, I haven't cleaned it up yet. I put it all back together and didn't clean it. Pretty cool, huh? So thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. If anything, you learned something, I guess. So, late.